Hi everyone, it's Johanne. Welcome back to my channel. Just like everybody else, I have a Beebeecraft unboxing that I'd like to do and share with you guys to show you what I chose. Beebeecraft and I were connecting back early May, and this actually took 2 months to get here, believe it or not. But it's here, and I'm excited. So I just undid the packaging and everything. It actually shipped in this bag. It then was shipped in this bag, so I had double the baggage. And then it came wrapped up like so. Oh, so excited. Let's see. Now, as you guys know or may not know, but when I first started doing my YouTube videos, I started making jewelry. And my niece and I started doing the videos together, and she was 9 at the time, so 8 or 9, and I haven't seen her much due to COVID. However, we're going to get together this weekend, so I'm hoping we'll be able to do a little something in here, because I got a part of this is for her. So let's just take a look. Let's take a look at this guy here. This is what I'm super excited about. I saw this, and I don't know if any of you guys know about lava beads, but I do like working with lava beads because I like essential oils. And so that's why I ordered this. So it actually just came in the baggie. And let's see, comes in this little package with the instructions and everything. So this is the wire, they're bead cage pendants. Oh, look at the box. The box is great. And I love that it's how it's perforated here, so that it matches what's inside. So that's perfect. So there's no spillage over in that. So I get to choose the product that I wanted for a certain value, and they send it to me at no charge. So that was awesome. I just have to do the unboxing and share with you guys a couple tutorials. So I'm really excited to make some jewelry or do some other paper crafts or something with the other stuff that I have as well. So I got these bead cages, and I think there's 9 of them. But look at this type. Oh, this is exciting. Sorry, I can't get my fingers in there. That type. And then this one here. So they come with lava beads. And if you don't know what a lava bead is, it's just like a regular stone, you know, like lava, that has the holes in it. Now, I do have other lava beads. This one doesn't seem to have like a hole for the pendants, but I have, like, the ones that I have would be like this, and they would have the holes for it. So, and then you can just put a couple drops of essential oils on it and then wear it throughout the day. So I'm excited to play around with that, and then I can put them in their cages. And it looks like it comes with other beads inside here, so that's pretty cool. Then you have some glass beads, assorted glass beads, different sizes and everything. And I love that color. Love that cracked glass look. That's really pretty. Then you have, in this, I believe there's 3 chains to make a necklace, or you could probably make a bracelet out of it. Then I have the head pins, and there's probably about 10 of those in there. Then I have my earring hooks. So I'm going to be able to make necklaces, earrings, or this could go in different type of crafts. And then I have some jump rings. So exciting. And the box that they ship in is awesome. I really like these little boxes, and the great little embellishment boxes. And you can change this one. I can change on what I want to put in there and make the sizes and that. So that's pretty good. Although I'll just keep everything in here anyway. But you can see how the cages will just open up and you can just set the bead in it. So that is perfect. Okay, so that's that one. Then I have these beads, and these are 12 millimeter, believe they're Czech crystal rhinestone beads, but the stone is like a clay, if I remember correctly. And I thought they'd be really pretty. They're a little different. Not quite what I thought they were. Crinkling the bag. So they are a little different. Not quite, like I said, not quite what I thought they were. So you have your little rhinestones on there, which is super cool. It's like a disco ball. But the clay piece you can still see, and it's not uniform, like they're, it's just like they're stuck on top of it. So you can still see some of the clay through more than others. So it's a little different, but that would look really pretty on some charms or anything like that. You could do bracelets, any of that stuff. So that's those. And that is 100 pieces. So, you know, you get quite a bit. That's awesome. And what the other one I'm excited for is this little kit. Now this one, these are acrylic beads. Okay, that's right. So they come with two, I believe these are stainless steel headbands. My niece is going to love this. She loves headbands, so she and I can make some together. Oh, look at those. These are really, I love this pastel coloring that's in here. Here you can see what I like about this is usually when you see like the plastic beads in that, you'll get a line that is around, you can see where they've joined or what have you. This does not have that at all. It's completely smooth. All of them are like that. So they're not cheap looking. They're actually really pretty. They're really, really nice. I'm really digging these. Look at that blue. That's, you know, there's, I believe it is, I'm just trying to remember how many pieces. I think there was 130 pieces of the beads. And yeah, it's, you know, look at the different compartments you have. You have, this one, you have 24 different colors and sizes. So that's perfect. I love the variety of sizes in that. The container is super cute. Let's see what we get in this little bag here. Oh, I'm sure that's more than 130 pieces. It's gotta be. So here we have, and this one, oh, you know what the 130 pieces were? Is in here. This piece has 130 pieces. This one has the 24 different acrylic beads, so different styles, and each one probably has, I'm gonna guesstimate at about 20 in each pocket. So in here we have lobster clasps. We have some jump rings. Then there's some ear nuts, and there are bead tips. And what else do we have? We have a little bunny. So that's a cute little charm. And then we have that wiring that is the stretchy cord. So that will be perfect. So we can make some bracelets. We can do all kinds of stuff with this. I have a couple things, you know, that I was thinking about, and you get some scissors with it. So this is a great little package that I received from Beebeecraft. And again, you know, you can reach out to them. They have a collaboration with, you know, a lot of the YouTube subscribers on here. I think you have to have over 100 subscribers. And and I'm in Canada, so, you know, they're willing to participate with, you know, I'm assuming they'll go everywhere. So look at all these goodies, and all I have to do is share with you guys a couple tutorials, and I'm super excited about it to share with you guys. I'll put all the links below for everything that I have here, and a link for Beebeecraft as well. And I will hopefully be working on some tutorials for you very soon. And yeah, so I hope you guys like what I have here, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.